Wellsaid Labs versus ElevenLabs. Which AI is better? I'm going to tell you which AI voice tool is better. Wellsaid Labs or ElevenLabs. If you're after ultra realistic expressive voices, ElevenLabs takes the lead. Its voices sounds more human, more emotional, and more flexible, especially in creating or character-driven projects. It also supports custom voice cloning and multilingual output, which gives it an edge to content creators. Wellsaid Labs, on the other hand, is cleaner and more polished for professional settings. It's great for e-learning, corporate videos, and brand-safe content. The UI is smoother, and the output feels consistent and stable, but sometimes a bit robotic. So here's the quick verdict. ElevenLabs wins for realism and emotion, while Wellsaid Labs is better for business voiceovers where clarity and control matter most. The right pick depends on what you're making.